We're back with our second conversion. This is day one of converting this Ford Transit into a camper van. First off was a trip to B&Q where I bought aluminium tape for the insulation, spray glue for the insulating, the carpet and the vinyl flooring. Bought paintbrushes for painting and also for covering the rust. I have chosen recycled plastic insulation as it is plastic, it does not absorb moisture. It is also very cheap and extremely easy to install. I then started work on the van by taking out the bulkhead, which was very quick and simple. I also had to remove the panels from the van, which as you can see comes off really easily. I then moved on to taking out the floor, and once that was done, we had to give the floor a good clean to see the situation with the rust underneath, which considering the age of the van wasn't bad at all. We then wiped down the wall panels to prepare for the insulation. First of all, you use the spray glue on the panel, and then tear to size your plastic insulation. Coat the insulation with a little bit of spray glue and then simply attach it into place and repeat all over the van. Once done, you will need polythene as a cover and insulation tape to seal it off. This is used so that the condensation, for example from your breath, doesn't penetrate through. This is what it looks like when it is finished. I then applied hammerite direct rust metal paint to stop it spreading in the future. Follow for day two of our second van build, where Adam and I will take a trip to B&Q to start paneling the van and insulating the roof.